It's Theresa from the Children's Museum of Sonoma County. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Wacky Wednesday. Let's see what we're up to today. Hi everybody. So what we're going to do for Wacky Wednesdays in July is to make connections to trains. So today we're going to be playing with magnets. Hold on, that's curious. What do magnets have to do with trains? Well, let me tell you. Trains use energy to move. That could be steam, like with steam engines, or it could be diesel, which is gasoline for diesel engines, and it can also move with electricity. There are trains that can be built and created to use magnetic fields to move, and those are called mag-lev trains, short for magnet and levitation. Okay, so mag for magnetic, lev for levitation. Pretty cool. There's still so many discoveries to be made, so let's see what we can find out just a little bit more about magnetism and how that works. All right, let's go. So let's play with some magnets. And what are they? Well, a magnet is a piece of metal with a strong attraction to another metal object. Maybe it's off of your refrigerator and it can be attracted to another magnet. Oh, there we go. That's sticking. Okay, or maybe to another metal object. Yeah, that's hanging on. And that gets pretty complicated because we're talking about lining up the atoms that make up these different things to make them magnetic. So let's stay simple and let's just kind of play around with these magnets and see what happens. So we have some, maybe they attach things to your refrigerator. Then you don't need super strong magnets. This one's even so not super strong it doesn't even hold paper onto my refrigerator, but it looks nice. I got it when I was traveling, and this one does a little bit better. So there's some magnetic sheeting or something, and that's going to hold attached to the metal on my refrigerator and then hold those things up. I like this one. It's a nice dead bug. It glows in the dark, and there is a magnet on it. So this holds things up on my refrigerator. So lots of different kinds of magnets that you might see, but when we play with them, when we make some discoveries, maybe in school you've seen these types of magnet wands. Okay, so we have these, so we can kind of play around with these and we can see what is magnetic. Well, we talked about metal being magnetic, so I can, whoa, that sticks to it, huh? So that's metal and that's magnetic. How about this one? Oh, so different kinds of hardware that is metal can be magnetic. Another magnet. Whoa. Oh, hey, what's this? A paper clip. Paper clips are made of metal. They're also magnetic. What about a coin? What about these? These are a type of metal, right? Wait a minute. So not every metal is magnetic, and not everything is magnetic. What about this cork? Nope, it's not. Or even the plastic part of the magnet wand. That's not magnetic, but the magnets stick together. That's pretty interesting. Okay, let's clear these out. And let's kind of play around with these magnet wands. It's pretty cool. I marked these with the magnetic field. These are the poles. So this is south, this is north over here. And the opposites attract. that means they pull together. The force is pulling them. So there's a magnetic force that's pulling. Well, if we do the like side, so let's just do the north and the north, they are going to resist or push away, repel. So, I had one student say that it felt like a belly. And it is. It feels kind of round like somebody's belly. I'm pushing this and it's not wanting to go together until it finds a point that it can attract. Then it does. So let's play with that a little bit. I did tie this wand onto a string. And what I want it to do is to try to get down next to these where we can start to feel the force, but not have it attach. So you see how that moves around? Oh, it's kind of flipping and flopping. Look at that. So they're repelling, 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 attracting, repelling, attracting, attracting, repelling, attracting, repelling. Oh my goodness, that's like a big tongue twister. Oh, I know. Let's do something fun here. So it's this attracting and repelling that actually is what helps the train move. So there's going to be some on the train itself and on the tracks itself. And so that attracting and repelling can cause a train to move. And that's pretty amazing technology, isn't it? Okay, it took us to the beach. Actually, that's funny. I brought the beach here. So I have a small container of some beach sand that I gathered on a Sonoma County beach to show you how this is going to work. So one of the things that you can do is take magnets to the beach because you can make some discoveries. Do you know what sand is made out of? Lots of different rocks and minerals. And they're just super, super tiny. Well, iron ore is something that is magnetic and something that magnets can pick up. And so we're going to see what we can find, what discoveries we can make in the sand just around Sonoma County. What? What's all this stuff? This right here is magnetite. And this is a type of iron ore. It's a mineral. And I really think that this is the cool stuff. But you can make these discoveries. You can find this at a beach right here in our own Sonoma County. So bring some magnets to the beach with you next time you go. See what you can find in there. That's pretty amazing.